Saying a bliss of me, I'm feeling and tired too.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, Papa G, what's going on the farm today? I see you out here throwing some seeds or fertilizer. What were you doing?
Planting some cucumber seeds.
So I noticed that. What is that in the hole? You cover it up. What is this in the hole here?
Fowl manure.
Fowl manure? When did you put that fowl manure in the hole?
About 3 weeks ago.
So why didn't you put it the same time when you put in the seeds?
It carry heat and it damage the seeds or the plant when it's not dissolved properly.
So you basically put it there to mature?
To burn, the sun burn it so it kind of dry out. I don't know what's in it, but
the acid maybe?
Possibly.
Okay, so this is how you've been always doing it?
Yeah.
So you how did you prepare? So you prepared this place, you dug up the hole?
Yeah, weed the grass, dug the hole, put in the fowl manure, and let it wait there for a while. Like about 3 weeks.
Alright, so this
it could be done earlier, but because we didn't get any rain.
Okay, so because we got a lot of rain today.
Yeah.
Okay, so you prepared the ground for you. However, I noticed that you have a lot of grass here. When did you do that? You did that before you dug the holes?
Yeah, the grass was there. I weed the grass and leave it on the land. Help keep the soil cool. It end up be fertilizer when it rots.
Okay. These are the seeds you are using?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and it also helps with water retention, right?
Right.
Right. This is a dragon fruit plant that we have here. So you are planning to plant only cucumber here?
Yeah, for now.
For now, only cucumber.
Yeah, because you don't you plant cucumber by itself really, because it's a vine and it run up and down. It will cover the whole place eventually.
Okay. Some people put cucumbers on a trellis. What do you think about that?
I've never tried that.
You've never tried it before?
No.
You just always just let it run on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. So so you place cucumbers in these and you're now covering them?
Yeah, the seeds.
So sometimes, I see you have a bed over there. Why you don't put the cucumber seeds in the bed?
Cucumbers are different from tomato.
Okay.
You could put the tomato in the bed, but mostly you would have to with like in a tray where you put the seeds single and then you pluck them out and plant them.
Oh, the cucumber?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do it too.
Okay. I want you to show us that bed over there.
But I just do it this way.
Okay.
This is where I like to do it. I don't know where.
You like to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
This is the way, old way.
All of these, it's just right there, so you never finish doing?
What?
All of it come all the way down there?
Yep.
I saw him sitting out here and I said, let me go video what he's doing. I never really like viewers. Alright, come show us you. Let me go over there.
That was a raised bed, avoiding the mice from eating the seeds. But this one now I put poison there for them, so they couldn't get to really eat the seeds. They ate the poison first.
Alright, so these are tomato plants, right? Tomato seedlings.
Yeah, they'll be ready to plant next week. This week, by Thursday, Friday. Next week, Thursday. Yeah, today is Friday.
From when you put up this, Papa G? From when you plant these seeds?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. So it takes about 2 weeks for these to come up?
It take a week to about 4 days to germinate, and about 2-3 weeks to be transplanted.
Okay, alright. So you're staggering the, what's that? That's tomato too, or?
Sweet pepper.
Oh, these are sweet peppers. Those were grown at the same time as well?
No. Those after.
Why you do them after?
It would be too much work to be planting tomato and the sweet pepper at the same time. So you give them a week or two. And then by the time you plant the tomato, then you can start planting the pepper within the next week or two after.
Okay, okay. So why you didn't do the rows that way? Why you did them this way?
No special reason. This is how I do it all the time, so I keep doing it that way.
Oh, I thought it was like maybe because of the water and it runs down into it or so.
Not really.
And you put this here to prevent the dirt
From running away.
from running away. And you go around this tree?
A lot.
Big. Oh, yeah, there's a lot. They're coming in.
Plenty guava on it. See all one limb you pass right there? A lot of the guava on it.
Lots of guava. But
That guava tree is not 3-year-old.
it's not 3 years old yet?
No.
Oh, not 3 years old yet. Wow, we had a big guava off this tree.
2 we get so far.
Two big ones. And they are coming in. What happened to the guava while you touched it?
The hurricane blew it down.
We had to cut it.
So I catch it up so I can catch back the root and get stable again.
Okay, mercy. Beryl did a number. Is a cucumber that left over?
It's that ripe. You can get the seeds from it.
You gonna plant it there?
No, really. Which may have cucumber. See, all cucumber grew up here. So what I do is we reap and some ripe. Seeds grow up. See one right there. They will grow back. You know, the seeds are good.
So this is PapaG's tomato and sweet pepper.
Nursery.
Nursery. You want to show over the background this stuff?
When?
Where you plant to? No. Where you plant to? Now you're not in the out here. It's just done.
Saying a bliss, I may have feeling and tired too.
No, so you're just walking over there and showing it to me. People, you think it's easy to get into video? PapaG has to be in the mood. He has to want to do it. What are these?
It's a regular long time cabbage that we call it longfoot cabbage.
Okay.
It's more durable and it's harder to cook than the regular cabbage. But it's more nutritious than the cabbage that fall. So I have it around the place.
Told me that your mother used to cook this.
Yeah, it used to sell at the market, which is, I think it does. It still sell at the market.
Really? I've never seen that.
The tighten bundle, like how you see pop chow tighten bundle of 3s or 2s.
Okay.
And over here now is where I'm gonna put the seedlings.
The tomato and
The tomato. No, sweet pepper is different.
sweet pepper is gonna go to a different place.
Yeah. This is the patch for the tomato.
I have a video of when you had melons here and I'm gonna show how it was bushy
Yeah.
and how you have revived. Oh, we have some papayas coming up.
Yeah. So this is where the tomato gonna be.
Oh, and you've already put
Foul manure in there.
in there.
And the rain fall on it, so it's good to plant.
How much land is this, PapaG?
A little more than 2 chain.
A little more than 2 chain. What is that? What is 2 chain? I don't know what
It's close to 1/4 acre.
almost quarter. Almost quarter.
Yep.
Alright. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is PapaG's plan to put his tomatoes here. You'll see when it comes to fruition.
Yep.
Yeah. That's a mulberry tree, and that's a... So I don't want to decide it again. Right, meringue. And you have you plant the gungo over there, so
Yeah, they're just coming up.
Gungo over there, that's just coming up as well.
And these are the soursop trees.
Boy, I love a soursop tree, you see? Soursop. Alright, that's it.
The one here grow like water.
Bye for us from now.